We're going to create a summer look from home that you can wear on all your holidays or to all your summer occasions. I have already prepped, shaped and filed my nails, so I'm going to go in straight away with the base coat. We're going to apply one thin layer to every nail to create the perfect surface for our nail varnish. For our design, we're going to be creating swirl nails with a few block colour nails. The vibrant colours are perfect for summer and give fun tropical sunset vibes. The swirl pattern can change on each nail to give more visual interest and switch up the design if you would like at home. So we're going to start by using the red nail lacquer from Essie. For the block colour nails, you're going to apply 2 coats of colour for the fullest and deepest shade of that colour. And then we're going to apply the Sally Hansen Nude Pink to our middle finger and ring fingernails. Here I've used my nail plate to add a little bit of polish to. This will help me manage the product. Once we've decanted the nail varnish, we're going to use our nail art brush to create the swirls on the nails. Have fun with this. Make it as fun or as minimal as you would like. This design is a statement look while also being minimalistic, meaning they're not too overwhelming to look at. We're then going to go in with our top coat for that high shine glossy look. And just like that, your nails are ready for your next holiday or your next summer party. You can also do this design with many different colours and different combinations, or add more swirls if you would like.